What if I told you that building wealth has less to do with how much money you make? Some people earn six figures and stay broke, while others, if you're starting from zero. This video will show you the exact road.
Step 1. Spend less than you earn. This is the foundation of wealth. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. This protects you from setbacks.
Step 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. Pay it off as quickly as possible. Step 4. Invest consistently. Open an account and invest regularly. The key is time in the market. Step 5. Increase your income. Ask for a raise. Learn valuable skills. Step 6. Stay consistent. Follow good habits. Building wealth from scratch isn't about luck. It's about discipline, consistency, and smart money decisions repeated over time. Start where you are, use what you have, and keep moving forward.
Spend less than you earn. Create an emergency fund. Pay off high-interest debt. Invest consistently.
You don't need to be rich. Save for emergencies. Eliminate debt. Invest regularly. Create security. Start today.